What's going on, everyone? Christian from Pixel Feed here, and welcome to Pixel Feed Radio. Woo! Episode 001 of the Pixel Feed Radio podcast. And just wanted to give you guys a little quick intro. So if you're listening on a podcast platform, my name is Christian Lovricic, the host of the YouTube channel called Pixel Feed, where I talk about everything digital marketing from Facebook ads, ClickFunnels, landing pages, Shopify, how to make your online business successful. If you have a brick and mortar, how to take it to the next level, right? So this podcast is going to be about everything digital media, and it's going to give me a chance to actually talk about what's top of my head for the week or things that are trending in the industry. And at the same time, I'm going to be bringing people from the industry to be interviewed on the podcast as well. So there's going to be a link in the description below where you can subscribe to the podcast and you can listen to on the go. But before we get into that, let me give you a little bit about background on myself. I've been in sales and marketing for over 10 years, and I started my first business at 23, and that's when I started my real quote-unquote business at 23, and that's when I started getting into marketing altogether. You know, that's when I was doing it old school, where it was like, you know, cold calling or print, you know, flyers or mailers, all that good stuff. And, you know, from day one, I just love marketing, how to get clients through the door and how to get more sales. So once, you know, the digital stuff became more mainstream, I guess you can say. That's when I started dipping into email marketing and Facebook ads. And when, you know, Facebook ads is what really did it for me. I mean, I was part of the intel of the gold rush, I guess you can call it, where you could put $5 a day and make like $2,000 back on a t-shirt. It was amazing. So, you know, and I just kept learning. I kept getting into it. I started many, you know, funnels and stores. Some of them I flipped, some of them I sold, some of them I still have. And then I got into consulting and doing it for other people as an agency. So I love what I do, obviously, if you can't tell by now. And that's why I have the YouTube channel. You go to YouTube, just search Pixel Feed, Pixlfeed, if you're listening on a podcast platform. But let me know in the comments if you're watching this on YouTube, you know, who you want me to interview, any entrepreneur, anybody in the digital media space. I know a lot of people in the industry, so I'm going to be bringing them on, interviewing them so they can tell us their stories, you know, how they got started, how they took their business to the next level. And, you know, maybe I'll bring them on just to talk about the state of the industry as well. So anything you want to hear about, anything you want me to talk about, just let me know in the comments and I'll be more happy to do it. So for now, this is it for episode 001 of Pixel Feed Radio. Make sure to subscribe to the podcast if you're watching this on YouTube, and I'll see you on the next episode.